Let's do a real English speaking practice session. Yes, this is the 30 minutes English speaking practice session. Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is part 2 of our series Speak English Fast. If you haven't watched the first part, you must watch the first part before continuing the second part. There I have explained the importance of speaking in English and how it can help you improve your English fast. Today we are going to do a 30-minute English speaking practice exercise. You'll do it right now. You will repeat, answer, describe and challenge yourself like a real English workout. You don't need any help. You can do all these by yourself. You can practice English with me right now. You don't need any partner. Just speak English with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Part 1. Repeat after me. Daily English. So we have 2 rounds for each sentence. The first one slowly and the second one fast. The first one you can repeat after me and the second one you should say it fast with me. The first sentence is, I wake up at 6:30 every morning. Repeat after me slowly. Now let's do it fast. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. The next sentence, can I have a cup of coffee, please? Now repeat with me fast. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Next sentence, I am running a bit late. I will be there soon. Now fast. I'm running a bit late. I'll be there soon. What time does the movie start? Now fast. What time does the movie start? I am looking for a gift for my friend. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. The next sentence, I have never been to that restaurant before. I have never been to that restaurant before. Do you want to join us for dinner? Now fast. Do you want to join us for dinner? Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Let me check my schedule and get back to you. I had a really long day today. I had a really long day today. Let's catch up sometime this week. Let's catch up sometime this week. Great job. I know speaking fast is a bit difficult for all of you. You know, when you speak slowly, you can identify every word and you can say every word. But when I ask you to speak fast, I know it gets a bit difficult, but it's alright. You need to practice this every day. Okay, this is our first practice, so don't worry about it. You will improve with time. So don't worry if you cannot catch up with me, if you cannot speak fast with me. You can definitely do it. Just believe in yourself and practice every day. Now let's move on to our next activity. Part 2. Answer these questions. I will ask you a question. You pause the video if you need to. If you need some time to think, if you cannot get an answer, just pause this video and answer it out loud. You should be very careful to say your answers loudly. Also, I'll give you a sample answer after each question. After you answered this question, just listen to the sample answer. it will give you a more polished version. You can, change your answer into a better answer or a better version by listening to the answer that I give you. So you can rephrase your sentence if you want to, and you can say your answer out loud once again. Question number 1. What's your favorite thing to do on weekends? What's your favorite thing to do on weekends? I hope you all have answered. You can also try answering this question like this. I love going for a walk and cooking something special. It helps me relax. Now, the second question. What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? You can answer this question like this. I usually eat egg and toast and I have a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat fruits too. Describe your best friend. What is he or she like? My best friend is really kind and funny. We have known each other since school. She always supports me. And this is true. I have a best friend. We have been friends since 5th grade. She is my best friend. She supports me. She helps me with everything. We don't call each other or talk with each other every day, but we usually call once in a while. But that is enough. We have a very strong bond. Do you have any such friends? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Yesterday, I worked most of the day. I had several online classes to attend. In the evening, I watched a movie and talked to my family. Tell me about your hometown. Tell me about your hometown. My hometown is a small city with lots of greenery. People are friendly and it's peaceful. How do you usually spend your evenings? How do you usually spend your evenings? Usually, I relax at home, watch a movie or cook something different, something interesting. Sometimes I go out with my friends. So these are the 6 questions. If you cannot answer it fast, that's all right. If you cannot think of an answer, if you're taking time, and I know most of the people take time because you are thinking in your native language. Just let me know in the comments how many of you thought the answer first in their native language and then converted it into English. If you can answer this question in 1 minute, actually all of you can answer this question in 1 minute. But if you are trying to translate it from your native language, it will take almost 6 to 7 minutes to answer a question. Because when you translate a line directly from your native language to English, it sounds different or it sounds strange because the sentence structure is not proper. So your mind will again try to rearrange all those words. First it converts from native language, and then it after translation your brain is again trying to figure out a better way to place the words to make the sentence much better. Your brain is working a lot to fix the words properly. So what you have to do is you should think directly in English. Thinking directly in English is very important to improve your English and to speak fast in English. I know it's a bit difficult at this moment, but try to watch my earlier videos. I'll pin videos here. It's a playlist. You can watch different videos that can help you think in English. There are different activities and exercises that can help you think directly in English. So if you cannot speak fast, just try to correct your these mistakes. Also, when you are speaking, before you start speaking something, don't worry about your mistake. Don't stress yourself to speak every sentence properly. In the initial stages, all the people learning English will make mistakes. So it's not your problem. You can improve it day by day, but you need to practice. So keep practicing with me and you can improve fast. This is not the end. We have more activities coming up. So let's move on to our third activity. Part 3, describe the situation. I will give you a sample answer for the first question and you will have to answer all the other questions by yourself. Okay, this is not actually a question, it's a situation. I will give you a situation and tell me what will you do in that situation. First one, you are in a cafe and the waiter gave you a wrong order. So here you can call the waiter and you can say, "Excuse me, I asked for a cappuccino, not a latte." This way you can describe such a situation. Now I'll give you another situation. Just pause this video, say your answer out loud. You should speak loudly, say your answer out loud and you can play after you give your answer. You are at the airport and your flight is delayed. You are at the airport and your flight is delayed. You see someone drop their phone in a store. You see someone drop their phone in a store. You are late for a meeting. You just walked in. You are late for a meeting. You just walked in. You are calling customer care to ask for a help. You are calling customer care to ask for a help. Situations like these are very helpful for practicing your English. Think real and speak real. Now let's move on to part 4. Part 4, real life speaking challenge. Now you will speak longer. I will give you a challenge. Try to speak for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't forget 30 to 60 seconds. Keep your timer ready so you can check the time. The first one is describe your daily routine from morning to night. Describe your daily routine from morning to night. You can describe your daily routine like, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth and have a cup of coffee. I start my work around 9 a.m. And so on. You can continue telling what you do every day. You should speak this out loud. Don't forget, speak out loud. Second one, tell me about your last vacation or trip. Tell me about your last vacation or trip. Tell me about your dream job. What would you do every day? Tell me about your dream job. What would you do every day? Explain your weekend plan to a friend. Explain your weekend plan to a friend. Describe your favorite movie or show and why you like it. Describe your favorite movie or show and why you like it. That's it. You are doing great. If you have spoke out loud, you are already ahead of 90% of English learners. Yes, speaking out loud is very important when speaking English. When you are trying to practice English, it is very important to speak out loud. Now the next activity, part 5, fast speaking drill. Yes, from the name itself you understood that we are going to speak fast now. I will say short sentences. Repeat after me quickly and clearly. You should be fast and you should be clear. Okay, repeat this 2 to 3 times, not just once, 2 to 3 times. These are very short sentences and it will be very easy for you to repeat. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. That sounds great. That sounds great. Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Let me know. Let me know. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. We will figure it out. We'll figure it out. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Repeat these often. This is how you train your speaking speed and fluency. Also, in the other activities that we did earlier, like from part 5 to part 5, I have included different emotions. There were situations where you are tensed, nervous, happy, sad. All situations are included together. So, you know how to speak when these situations come up. You did it. You just completed 30 minutes of English speaking practice. You repeated, you answered, you imagined, you described, and most of all, you spoke out loud. Do this video 3 times a week and you will see huge changes in fluency and confidence. I assure you this video can help you a lot in your English speaking journey. Let me know in the comments which part helped you the most. And if you want part 3, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And remember, don't study English, speak it every day, even if it's not perfect. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.